of people, and that's leading to intermarriages. Men, get to know your origin. The Bantu group of people, Muganda by tribe, respect to Sabasaja, respect to Kabaka, Magulu Nyondo, Nanta Wetwa, Bemba Musota, Luwachoya, Uganda Kingdom, at I respect, man. They invited the missionaries, they invited England to teach English in Uganda. Big up to Kabaka Mutesa one, Yaman, who invited the missionaries to take a good work in the Pearl. So that's leading to education through inviting the whites, the missionaries, the explorers, and so many others. At the same time, he invited the Arabs. You see, then they spread Islamic. At first, he invited the Arabs. Second, he invited the missionaries. You see, come on, same thing, same way, but different paths. Only God knows. We don't know. We don't know. We just hybrids. The origins of Africa. They went for slavery. After that, the other ones coming, they make an intermarriage. After intermarrying, we create a breed, a new breed, which we're seeing right now, a new race. Men, from just my brain, I'm thinking what I started, I don't know much, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. Respect to you, respect to the world. But ekitiibwa eri ensi, ekitiibwa eri Museveni, kubanga man, I can speak, I can talk without any rush. Yeah man, that's UG, Uganda, forever. One does ever. God judge us. Walala, walala, welele, yololo. Walala, walala, Ona n'omubi ng'azaala, ayinza n'abagenyi, bona abiyita n'afumba, mbu ne bamukuba ne bamuswaza, rotate device. She used to be my spiffy smile. Now you wanna run and go. Now you wanna mash up and go. Hey, me shoulda read your eyes. Me shoulda read your eyes. Now me coulda never remember read your eyes before. Sucker down, sucker down. Timukwano mbulira oba waterera, terera, terera.